Hey guys, thanks very much for checking back. So this lesson we're going to learn how to play the G minor chord. The notes that contain in the G minor chord are G, B flat and D. Once again, it's another bar chord type lesson. Now, the F minor chord, if you watch my previous lesson, the F minor chord is this shape. We're now going to go F, F sharp minor, G minor. Up 3, yeah? So it's F, or more on the root note, F, F sharp, G. Same shape, but just up 2 frets. In case you haven't watched my previous video, so how that works is we need your whole index finger to be barring across the whole of the 3rd fret. We then need your ring and then your pinky. Ring goes on the A string of the 5th fret. Pinky goes on the D string of the 5th fret and sounds like this. Now, if you do struggle with bar chords at the moment, because they can be tricky to play, you might notice another way you can do it is try and compress. So obviously you've got your thumb at the back of the neck, compressing with your index finger. If you want to have an extra finger placing down on your index finger like this, like your ring finger, give it that extra bit of compression, you might find that might be easier too. But that essentially is how you play the G minor chord. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. Please do like and subscribe.